Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make chia pudding in 4 different flavors. Let's start. I am taking 6 tablespoons of chia seeds and adding 2 cups of fresh milk. You can use any kind of milk, like almond milk, soya milk, or fresh milk. And now I am go ahead and mix it. Mixing is really important. Mix it really well before it sets in the fridge. Chia seeds going to absorb all the milk and puff up, and it will have pudding-like texture. What we have to do now is cover it up and place it in the fridge. It needs to settle for about at least 30 minutes to 4 hours, depending the quality of your seeds. This is how it looks after taking from the fridge. Now I am going to prepare the fresh fruits for the pudding. Now it's the fun part. You can choose any kind of fruits you like. First I am adding layer of mangoes and some pineapple. Then I am adding a layer of prepared chia pudding. If you still watching the video, you are loving my recipe. If you like my recipe, comment below, as I like this. Then again a layer of mangoes and pineapple. Then another layer of chia pudding. For the sweet taste I am adding some treacle. Here you can use any syrup as you like. Then again few pieces of mangoes and pineapple, and we are done with the first flavor. For the second one, I am using strawberries and pomegranate. First adding the layer or fruits and then adding the layer of chia pudding. And last I am adding some treacle. Here you can use any syrup as you like. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. For the banana I am adding some cocoa powder, then you can keep it for at least for a few days. Also I am adding some chocolate chips to this pudding. Then continue the layers. Write me here in the comments below, where you watching from, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. Last flavor I am using yogurt and adding some treacle in between. Here you can use any kind of syrup as you like. Chia pudding is one of my favorite healthy breakfast, snack or dessert recipe. It is super healthy because chia seeds are loaded with nutritions, but it's also a great breakfast option. And you can sweeten it little bit more and turn it into snack or dessert. If you are using chia pudding for your diet menu, add some stevia or sweeteners instead of treacle. Now we are done with all the flavors, and look how beautiful they are. You can use them for any special occasion for your guests, or you can enjoy with your family. Don't forget to like and share the video, that will help me greatly. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. See you in the next video. Thank you.